Hey guys, and today I will explain how we can create this type of deep groove and around surface in Fusion 360. So let's start it. Guys, this is a part that I have made in Fusion 360 and now I want to add groove at here. First, I will break this object into two pieces. For breaking this object, first I will go to the isometric view. I will go to the modify tab and click on split body. I will turn on the axis. First I will select the body and then I will choose XZ plane. The object will be divided into two equal parts. So I will click on OK. Now you can see here in the bodies folder there are two bodies right now and I can hide and show them. Now I will make a sketch on XZ plane. First I will select XZ plane, right click and create sketch. Now I will project this edge. For projecting the edge, I will press P from the keyboard and then select this edge and this edge. After selecting these edges, I will unselect this checkbox because at later stages I will reverse the split body action and then I will click OK. Now I will take line tool and will connect these two vertices. Now I will make the offset of this edge. For making the offset, I will press O on the keyboard and will click on this edge and will enter the value -2. This means that this groove will be 2 millimeter deep and but I will keep it 1 millimeter and I will press OK. Again, I will make another offset. I will enter the value of 5 and click on OK. Now I will select line tool and will create a line from here to here and another line from here to here. With the help of trim tool, I will cut off extra lines and also from here. You can see that our this line is not on y-axis. So again, I will delete this line and will create another line which must be on y-axis. Now I will use extend command and will extend this line to the vertical line. Now I will select trim tool and will cut off the extra lines from here and here. Now I will finish the sketch. Now I will go to the isometric view and the basic sketch is completed. Now I will turn off the body. Will click on extrude command and will select these two profiles. Then I will turn on the body and will apply a cut operation. First I will select symmetric and will enter the width of groove. I need 3 millimeter wide groove, so I will enter the value 1.5 and will click on OK. Now I will turn on the another part. Now you can see that the groove has been added to the bottom. Now I will go to the split action on a timeline. Will select this one and will press delete key from the keyboard and will delete this operation. Once this operation will be deleted, then one piece also been deleted from here and the groove has been added to the body. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos. Have a good day.